In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create effective project timelines using Google Sheets. Google Sheets is an outstanding tool for organizing and visualizing your project's timeline, and the best part is it's free to use. Today, we'll delve into Google Sheets template gallery to find the perfect format for your needs. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Google Sheets and take a look at the template gallery. You can find this option directly on the Google Sheets homepage. It's usually on the top right corner of the page, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're in, you're presented with a variety of templates designed to simplify your workload, but today, we're focusing on those tailored for project management. There are a few templates that are particularly useful for creating project timelines: the project timeline, the Gantt chart, and the project tracker. Each of these templates offers a unique way to visualize your timeline, and choosing the right one will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Let's start with the project timeline template. If you select this template, you'll notice that it's straightforward and designed for simple project schedules. It's ideal for projects with a clear start and end date and gives you a linear view of your task sequences. You'll see fields where you can input the task name, start date, and end date, among other details. This can be incredibly helpful for tracking progress over time. Next, take a look at the Gantt chart template. Gantt charts are slightly more complex than the basic project timeline and are perfect if you prefer a more visual representation of your project's progress. This type of chart provides a bar graph-like view that illustrates project tasks alongside their timeframes, giving you a snapshot of the project at any given moment. It helps to visually identify task overlaps and dependencies, which can be incredibly useful for larger or more complex projects. Lastly, there's the project tracker template. This template is designed with an overarching view of multiple aspects of your project. It's not just about timing. It also captures other critical details like task owners, status updates, and priority levels. This can be particularly helpful if you're managing a team and need to track who's doing what, in addition to when things need to get done. Now that you know what each template can do, it's time to choose the one that best suits your project's requirements and start customizing it to fit your specific needs. Remember, Google Sheets is highly flexible, allowing you to adjust and personalize these templates as your project evolves. You can always come back and modify details or format the sheet in a way that works for you. And there you have it. Creating project timelines in Google Sheets is both simple and efficient when you use the right template. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.